We are on the Canadian side, overlooking the river. And on the other side of the river is New York. And that is where the American military came from. Came across the river. This is the place for the Battle of Kingston Heights in Ontario. And the Americans came up here in the War of 1812-1814. This took place in October of 1812, and the Americans came and they won this battle on that day. However, more reinforcements were sent in and they lost the battle, and basically they went home. However, during the battle, General Isaac Brock was killed. And in his memory, this statue was erected. In 1814, the British and the Americans settled their quarrel and signed peace treaty. This monument is erected to Laura Secord, who saved her husband's life on the Queenston Heights, and who also risked her own life going to give information so that the British military could send more men to help with the battle. One of the things that she is now remembered by is her candies and ice cream, which are really yummy.